How can I get rich? How do I start? How do I know which path to take? What should I even do? Am I wasting my life away? This is some of the questions I've been asking myself for the last couple of years, and I'm pretty sure you might be in too. Just for reference, this is my first YouTube video. This is a super quick introduction about myself. I'm Julian. I started working when I was 17, and me and my brother decided to leave our country, that was Argentina, to move to Europe. In Spain, we struggled a lot at the beginning. We used to sleep in the same bed for almost a year and a half until we got a job, then another job, and we got a pretty decent life. Until 2 months ago, I was earning a good amount of money, above average citizen in Europe, but I wasn't happy. It didn't fulfill me, and I always wanted to do something from my own. I tried 1,000 things. I tried all the different things that you can find online about drop shipping, SMMA, agency model, but didn't work at the time. I stopped working on my previous job 2 months ago, and I said, fuck it. Let's start from zero in something that I love doing, and that is video editing. I worked in the past as a video editor a few times, but now I wanted to take it seriously. So I created different social media channels like this one, and also an Instagram account that I got to 15k followers in just 2 months. Between doing content creation on social media and trying to find new clients, it's not going how I expected. I managed to get like 4 to 5 clients in the last 2 months, but they weren't the best clients, and now started working with new clients that are more professional, but something is missing and I'm still looking into it. This is not a video on how to, because I don't even know it myself, but I will find out, and I want you to learn the same things I will learn from this experience. So the plan now is creating as much content on social media as I can while trying to get as many clients as I can as a video editor, and maybe in a few months create a video editing agency or something like that. So yeah, there's not much to it. This is the first video on this channel. I plan to do 1 video a week with all the insights that I learned from that week. Hope you enjoy it, and make sure to subscribe if you want to follow me on this journey.